Hello, welcome to Lukmans. Today we have Harvard University Animation Interview Tricks. You are given the product of bracket. So what is the value of x? To begin with, we group this term with the term with x minus 6. Grouping the term with the x minus 3 and the term with the x minus 6. This is what we have. We expand this one. X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by 6 is negative 6x. Negative 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Then we have negative 3 multiplied by negative 18. Negative 6 is 18. So here you are going to obtain the value of x, where x should be a real number. So expanding the first two terms and expanding the second two terms, we have x squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 360. In the first bracket, we have x squared minus 9x then plus 18. The second bracket, we shall have x squared minus 9x plus 20. All this is equal to 360. Now, x squared minus 9x plus 18 multiplied by x squared minus 9x plus 18 plus 2. This one is equal to 360. Now 20 is the same as 18 plus 2. At this juncture, we let x squared minus 9x plus 18 be n. So where we have x squared minus 9x plus 18, we substitute with n bracket n plus 2. This part here, this one is equal to 360. Then we expand. N times n is n squared plus 2n. This is equal to 360 degrees. We subtract 360 both the signs, so that on the right hand side you shall be left with 0. So this is our quadratic equation. We have the product that here is 1 multiplied by negative 360. Our product is negative 360, and our sum is equal to 2. So two numbers, when you multiply, you obtain negative 360, and when you add, you obtain 2 is 20 and negative 18. 20 plus negative 18 is 2, and 20 times negative 18 is negative 360. So we shall have n squared plus 20n minus 18n minus 360 is equal to 0. Factorizing by pairing, n divided by n is n squared divided by n is n, plus 20n divided by n is 20. In the last two, 18 is common. Negative 18n divided by negative 18 is m. Negative 360 divided by 18 is 20. This is equal to 0. We factorize n plus 20, so that we shall have here n minus 18. This is equal to 0, meaning that n plus 20 is equal to 0. So from here, the value of n is equal to negative 20, or n minus 18 is equal to 0. So the value of n is equal to 18. So from there, we 18 minus 9x being equal to n. So we shall have x squared minus 9x plus 18. This is equal. So our n in the first case is negative 20. So we shall have x squared minus 9x plus 18 plus 20. This is equal to 0. So x squared minus 9x plus 38 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation with our a being equal to 1, our b is negative 9, and our c is equal to 38. We check the discriminant. Discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. We substitute our values of b. B is negative 9 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 38. 9 squared is negative 9 squared is 81 minus 4 times 1 times 38 is 152. 81 minus 152 is negative 71. So our value will be less than 0. As a result now, because negative 71 is less than 0, so this value is rejected, since it is required that the value of x should be a real number. Here, there will be no real solution. Considering the other case where we obtain n as 18, we shall have x squared minus 9x plus 18 equals 18. Taking 18 to the left, we shall have x squared minus 9x being equal to 0. Factorizing x squared divided by x is x. 9x divided by x is 9. This is equal to 0. So it means x is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9, adding 9 both sides. So we check our working. We had x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6. This was equal to 360. So what is the value of x? So let us verify. When x is equal to 0, we will have 0 minus 3 multiplied by 0 minus 4 multiplied by 0 minus 5 multiplied by 0 minus 6 is it equal to 360. That's what we want to find out. Here you have negative 3 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 5 multiplied by negative 6 is it equal to 360. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12, times negative 5 times negative 6 is that. Is this one equal to 360? Clearly you can see 0, 6, 3. So 360 is equal to 360. So when x is equal to 0, it is our given equation. Let's check the case when x is equal to 9. So from x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6 being equal to 360. We substitute the value of x as 9. So we shall have bracket 9 minus 3, bracket 9 minus 4, bracket 9 minus 5. This is 5. And finally 9 minus 6. Is this equal to 360? 9 minus 3, is this equal to 360? 6 times 5 is that, times 4 times 3 is 12. Is it equal to 360? So 30 times 12 is 360. So 360 is equal to 360, meaning that x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 0 satisfies our given equation of x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 6, and the result is equal to 360. Thanks for watching this video. You can remember to subscribe and also to comment if you have any other way of doing it. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.